We'll guide you through how to make a text box appear and disappear in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create more interactive and engaging presentations using Microsoft PowerPoint. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. Once the application is open, select Blank Presentation from the available options on the screen. After that, click the Create button located at the bottom left corner to begin working on a new slide. When the slide appears, choose a layout and select Blank so you have a clean and empty workspace. Next, go to the Insert tab and then click Text Box to add a text box to your slide. Click anywhere on the slide to place the text box and type anything you want. For example, how to make a text box appear and disappear in PowerPoint. After entering your text, go to the Home tab to customize it. Click the down arrow in the font section and choose any font style you prefer. Then click the down arrow for font size and select any size that suits your design. Once the text looks the way you want, adjust its position by dragging the text box to the desired location on the slide. After that, go to the Insert tab again to prepare an animation trigger. Select Shapes, then choose Rectangle. Click and drag the rectangle until it fully covers the entire slide area. While still working with the rectangle, click Shape Fill and choose any color you like. Then move your cursor to the Arrange options and select Send to Backward so the rectangle is placed behind the text box. After completing that step, go to the Animations tab to begin adding animation effects. Click Animation Pane to open the panel on the side of the screen. Select the text box, click on its edge, and apply the Appear animation. Then add another animation by choosing an exit effect, searching for Disappear, and selecting it. In the Animation Pane, click the green animation, then choose Trigger, select on Click Of, and click the rectangle. Next, click the red animation, choose Trigger again, select on Click Of, and click the text box. Finally, test your work by clicking repeatedly to see the text box appear and disappear, and enjoy your successful result.